In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use LinkedIn to find an entry-level medical coding job. LinkedIn is a powerful platform that connects professionals and offers numerous opportunities for job seekers. Let's explore how you can leverage it to land your first position in medical coding. To kick things off, open your browser and navigate to LinkedIn's homepage by visiting linkedin.com. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. You have the option to sign in using Google or Microsoft if that's linked to your account, or simply type in your email address and password. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, LinkedIn will prompt you to verify your identity. They'll send a code to your registered phone number, so make sure to have your phone handy to complete this step. Once you're successfully logged in, take a look at the top of the homepage. You should see an icon labeled Jobs. Go ahead and click on that. This will direct you to LinkedIn's job search portal, where you can dive into opportunities that are currently available. Now, at the top of this page, you'll find a search bar. Click into this search field and type in medical coding, which is what you're keen to explore. Once you've done that, press enter to pull up the initial search results. Now here's a clue. LinkedIn offers some nifty filters to refine your job search, making it easier to pinpoint entry-level positions. Locate the filters option and select entry-level to narrow down the results specifically to those suited for beginners in the field. This ensures that the job listings you browse are tailored to your current career stage. With these filtered results before you, the next part is key. Take your time to go through these job listings carefully. Review each listing to gather details on the role requirements, company culture, and what qualifications they are looking for. This is critical in determining which roles best align with your skills and career goals. There you have it, a simple and effective way to harness LinkedIn's capabilities to hunt for an entry-level medical coding job. Remember, perseverance is crucial in job searching. It might take several applications and interviews before you find the right fit, but rest assured, with these steps, you are well on your way to securing that first medical coding position. Keep your LinkedIn profile updated, as this is often the first impression potential employers will have of you. Polishing your profile can significantly enhance your chances, so consider that as your next step after this video. Good luck on your job hunt, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more career tips and guidance.